In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns.monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a link column to a board so you can attach clickable URLs with clear, readable labels. This is perfect for pointing teammates to docs, shared drives, itineraries, or any external resource, all without cluttering your item names. Start on the monday.com homepage, signed into your workspace. From here, you'll see your existing boards and projects. If you already have a board where you want to store links, great, use that. If not, you can create a new board first and then follow along on that board. Hover over the board you want to work with and open it. Any board will do. Choose the one where these links will be most useful to your team. Once the board opens, you'll be looking at your items and existing columns like status, people, date, or anything else you've already set up. To add a new column, move to the far right of your column headers and find the plus icon. This is your shortcut to add different types of columns. Click that plus icon to open the column picker. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. There's a library with everything available. Next, choose More Columns. This opens the Column Center, which is a catalog of all the column types you can add to your board. It's helpful because you'll find both common picks and more specialized options, and you can search instead of scrolling through a long list. Inside the Column Center, look for the search bar near the top, click into it, and type the word link. This filters the results so you can quickly find the link column designed for external URLs. It's different from internal linking features, so make sure you select the one intended for websites. When the link column appears, click Add to Board. Monday.com will place a new column on your board, typically to the right side, and it will be ready to use right away. You can keep building your board structure later, but for now, we'll focus on adding your first link. Click into any empty cell in the new link column. Each row represents an item, and each cell in this column can hold a different link for that specific item. When you click the cell, you'll get fields where you can enter the URL and a display name for the link. Type the full website address in the URL field. It's a good idea to include the full path and ensure it starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it opens correctly. Then add a short descriptive name for the link, something like itinerary, vendor portal, or project brief. The display name keeps your board neat and makes it obvious where the link goes without showing a long web address. After you've entered the URL and the name, confirm your entry to save it to that cell. You'll now see a clean, clickable link label directly inside your item. Teammates can click it to open the site in a new tab, making it quick to jump from planning to action. Repeat this process for any other items that need links. Using a consistent naming style helps everyone find what they need faster, especially when multiple links appear across different items. And if you ever need to update a link, just click the cell again and edit the details. That's all it takes to add and use a link column in monday.com. Open your board, add a column, search for link in the column center, add it to the board, and type in your URL with a clear display name. With this in place, your team can access the right resources exactly when they need them, all from the same board where you manage your work.